we're going to continue to, bring resources in to make this person the best that they can be. And they don't know what it is. Like, I didn't even know what machining was.
Right.
I didn't know what this job on the saw was going to entail. I didn't know what a machinist was. But the fact that he told me he could make me one,
right,
made me want to learn everything about it. You know what I'm saying? So these kids don't know about our industry right now. As they're learning, show them the complete pathway. Hey, this is a robot. You can program these. You can build these. These are applications that you can use for these. What would you use it for? Just get their mind going and give them a clearer picture of how far they could go.
I think that speaks to a couple different things that are really, really important as we think about our traditional manufacturers and they're trying to attract talent. And that's right. That's the starting point, right? I mean, getting that person in the door, signing them up, putting them on the payroll, you're just getting started. That's not the end game. That's where you're starting. And then it's what are we going to do to keep these people around? And again, as somebody that came up in the manufacturing world of the 1990s and so on, it was just a different world, right?
Yeah.
You had more people than you had jobs. They were great paying jobs back then, but you kind of had your pick of the litter in terms of who you wanted in manufacturing. That world is different. The way that people look at jobs is different. You suggest that, it's not about...
They're switching their majors, you know what I'm saying? And we're losing these brilliant minds that are motivated. So the hazing thing is the worst.